the flying monkeys.
这是 like sloth like a monkey sloth hybrid.
We're now entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large and fiery? That's the giant anteater. Look out for the sharp claws. They're used to dig into termite nests. Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed cotimundis. They're able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees better. These are Brazilian tapirs. Tapirs are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, growing up to 300 kilograms. However, it still has enemies. When chased by the cougars and jaguars, they run and plunge into the river. The Amazon is also home to smaller creatures. Hiding among these on the right are cotton-topped tamarins. These small monkeys talk to each other in chirps and whistles.
Watch out for jaguar.
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Xiao, our young jaguar. He was born in Singapore Zoo in 2004. Xiao likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that pierces its prey's skull with its teeth.
जब ये हमें वहाँ नहीं दिखता ना तो यहाँ होता है।
They howl loudly when they sense approaching rain. If you turn to your left, you'll spot the Caribbean flamingo. The flamingos have to breathe, filtering out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red